So in this video, what I want to talk about is why I am still selling used computers on Craigslist. I make plenty of money at this point. Maybe at some point I won't anymore, and I'll have to go back to hustling like everyone else. But at the moment, I make absolutely plenty of money. I don't need to sell computers on Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook. I don't need to do that. However, I've decided I've taken a break for several months, and I've decided to go back to it. And there's a couple, probably two big reasons, probably three big reasons. The first big reason is that I have always sworn, I absolutely swear, I will swear until the day I die, if I ever become a rich man, if I ever win the lottery, if I will be driving around selling used computers out of my damned Lamborghini, okay? I'm dead serious. I love selling computers. It's more than just, it's not just about the money. The extra money is nice. I mean, you'd be surprised. I mean, just a couple $100 here, a couple $100 there. It adds up. I mean, pays for this camera. This camera was paid for with Craigslist sales money. But that's not the biggest reason. The next reason up, not quite the biggest one, but the next reason up is that by buying and selling, you're in the market. So when you're in the market, like you're actually, like you're focused and you're paying attention to the market, you get things like this. Let's pan over there. That's my new OLED gaming monitor. That's a, depending on the deal you find, MSRP on the monitor, I think at retail is $1,200 or $1,300. I paid $500 for this. Now, I haven't been getting, this is the first deal like this I've gotten in many, many months. I used to get deals like this every week on different items. You know, sometimes it'd be a deal like this on a monitor. Sometimes it would be a deal like this on a laptop. Sometimes it would be a deal on, I don't know, a video card, you name it. It's a deal's a deal. You know, you find deals on everything. But I was out of the market for so long that I wasn't getting these deals. And, you know, I like getting deals. I mean, you know, some people, let me pan back here. Some people ride horses. Some people jump out of perfectly good airplanes. Some people sell cars. I sell computers. That's my high. I get a high off of getting a deal. Okay, I do. You'll learn this when you get into it. But so that's another reason, is that if you're out of the market, you're out of touch with what stuff is selling for and what's available. You're not seeing the deals that go up. And you know, if I'm back into selling, I'm seeing the deals that go up. But the number one reason why I am getting back into selling computers is because the biggest gain that I've made, I keep looking away from the camera. I keep thinking I'm looking at it. Sorry for my weird look away. So probably the biggest gain I have ever made on this whole selling computers thing is the networking. I've met amazing people. Some of my closest friends, probably lifetime friends at this point, are people that I have bought and sold computers from. Multiple jobs that I have ended up with have been through people that I have bought or sold computers from. You know, job opportunities, you know, getting in the market, having purchasing opportunities, but mostly the networking with other people. And I mean, this doesn't come as easy for some people as it does for me. I like to talk to people. You know, when I can't tell you how many times I have done a sale at, let's say 6 o'clock, let's say 5 o'clock at night, and I don't end up out of the buyer's house until 7, 8 o'clock at night, because we get so engrossed in a tech talk that we're having that I don't even leave. You know, I'll show them how to game, and I make a new friend. And you know, especially if you're somebody who has a hard time making friends, I mean, you know, you don't want to be creepy. You gotta learn how to feel people out. Some people just want to do the deal and get out of there. But some people really want to, you know, network and make connections with other people. And yeah, I think I've gotten, let me see, I've gotten, let's see, one, two, various, well, no, three, four, five. Five of those, at least five of those kind of like once in a lifetime friends, the kind of people that you couldn't see your life without, which unfortunately, two of them are now passed. I do meet a lot of people in this gig that are quite a bit older than me, so unfortunately I do lose some of them. It's unfortunate, but it's just, it's life. But several of my close friends now are people that I did computer business with, and these are friends that I could imagine not having. Two jobs that I have. My current job that I have, you guys are seeing all the stuff I'm buying. I mean, I'm making good money at this job, and it's because of the connections that I made through the networking with the buying and selling business. And it's a great way to meet people. And when I got out of selling computers, and I was thinking about it several weeks ago, and I realized I really am giving up a lot by not doing that networking. So definitely, something to think about if you are considering getting into this is, some of the stuff you have to gain by being in the business. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick, little insight into, why I do what I do. And, thanks for watching the video.